Hi and welcome to the market view for Thursday the 7th of August 2014. Starting off with the 30-minute chart for yesterday, we can see that the market traded in a very quiet, narrow range, a total of 50 pips for yesterday. Market moving slightly lower, then finding support, trying to return higher during the late afternoon session, and then on into the early evening, just trading in a sideways range there. And on the overnight, the market hasn't done an awful lot either, except find resistance at 168.50, which we broke yesterday. The market's now broken this once again, so a retest of these lows wouldn't be surprising at all. In the daily chart, again we can see this where the market moved lower, then came back, and today's bar we can see that again we've broken this 168.50 and just trading towards the downside there of the fib, 76% retracement. However, what we can do is this: if we go to markup and use the fib extension there, click on the low and to the high, and you can see why the market traded down to where it did during yesterday's session. So the low there of 168.21 is where the market is likely to find support if it does move to the downside. However, today you want to keep in mind that we've got quite a bit of economic news, but this doesn't start until midday when we get the asset purchase facility, the official bank rate, the MPC rate statement, and then we've got the European minimum bid rate as well out at 12.45. 130 unemployment claims from the US. These are the weekly ones, so they don't really have that much impact on the market. And then we've got a press conference from the ECB at 1:30 as well. So the market stuck in this sort of sideways range, as you can see there, 50 pip range, and has been now for the last 3 days. This will be the fourth if it stays that way, but we should see a bit of activity. It just depends if along with the rate statement anything else is actually added. And on the Dow, the market also finding a bit of support yesterday. A very quiet day, sideways to high. There was a few pips to be had yesterday, but not an awful lot. It took until late afternoon before we had some activity in this market. So trading down towards that 16,357 area. Market finding support, and again, if it's going to move back to the upside, which if it does, watch out for 16,541, because that's where the market's likely to find some resistance. And on the implied volatility, this is only trading at 13.05, needs to get up to 16 if the market is to show a true implied volatility bottom of support coming into the market and shaking out the week longs to move the market back to the upside. So again, that can be seen in the chart where we've got the drop off in implied for yesterday, so the market having a bit of a breather here as well. So that's really it for this morning. There's not a lot else I can say because the market is still fairly quiet. And again, it's just a case of hanging in there and waiting for the markets to actually come back to life, which they will. It's just a matter of time, and it's taking its time as well, but it is what it is. There's nothing we can really do about it. Right, all things being equal, I'll see you in tomorrow's market view. As ever, thank you for your support. Very much appreciated, especially during these quieter times. But hopefully things will turn around shortly. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.